BMW has launched the 2023 R1250R in Europe, its roadster motorcycle based on the adventurous R1250 GS, that is, equipped with a 1,250 cubic centimeters boxer engine and cardan shaft, for an unparalleled riding experience. The model arrives with full LED lighting, digital color TFT panel, sporty single seat, ABS Pro braking system, for safe cornering, and dynamic traction control, DTC, as standard. As mentioned, the heart of the 2023 R1250R is the 1,254 cubic centimeters liquid/air-cooled boxer engine with ShiftCam technology, which is capable of generating up to 136 horsepower, 100 kilowatts at 7,750 RPM, and 143 Newton-meters, 14.5 kgfm, of torque at 6,250 RPM. The gearbox is 6-speed and the transmission is by cardan shaft. In addition, it is equipped with a new eco-riding mode, for maximum autonomy whenever you fill the fuel tank. The new screen shows the efficiency of your riding style and you can switch to another riding mode quickly and easily. According to the company, rain and road riding modes now also include ABS Pro and DTC. As a good sport roadster, the R1250R 2023 features a strikingly designed stainless steel rear muffler, plus an Akrapovic sports option, with a titanium exterior and stainless steel inner structure, for powerful sound and great looks. Finally, the model has a USB port to charge the cell phone, 12V socket, heated seat, and exclusive spoked wheel option 719 Classic, optional. The 2023 BMW R1250R is available in 3 versions: Sport in Racing Blue, Triple Black in Black and Ice Grey Uni in Grey. Prices in the UK start from £12,330 and in Germany from €15,350.